Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is the 14 best snack ideas if you have diabetes. Do you find it challenging to choose healthy snacks when you have diabetes? Well, worry not. Picking snacks high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can do wonders for maintaining your blood sugar levels. Who would want to opt for something other than nutrient-dense foods promoting overall health? Eating snacks packed with these critical nutrients is essential for keeping your body happy and healthy. So, remember to add them to your snack list. Get ready to snack smart and satisfy your cravings. Here are 21 snack ideas that are both delicious and diabetes-friendly. Before starting, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin. 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a nutritious snack for people with diabetes due to their high protein content. A single hard-boiled egg provides 6 grams of protein, helping to prevent blood sugar from rising too high. A study found that when 65 people with type 2 diabetes ate 2 eggs daily for 12 weeks, their fasting blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C levels decreased significantly. Eggs also make you feel full, which is essential for people with type 2 diabetes because it raises the risk of fat and heart disease. You can enjoy hard-boiled eggs alone or topped with a healthy topping like guacamole. 2. Yogurt with berries. Because it has vitamins, fiber, and probiotics, yogurt with berries is an excellent snack for people with diabetes. Berries reduce inflammation and prevent damage to pancreatic cells, which release hormones that lower blood sugar levels. A 1-cup serving of blueberries provides 4 grams of fiber, slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Yogurt also helps lower blood sugar levels due to its probiotics, which improve the body's ability to metabolize sugar-containing foods. Greek yogurt is exceptionally high in protein, helping maintain blood sugar control. The sweetness of berries balances out the tartness of yogurt, making it an excellent combination for a healthy snack. 3. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding, created by soaking chia seeds in milk, is a healthful snack for people with diabetes since it contains high levels of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds include fiber, which can absorb water, slow digestion, and release sugar. Consuming chia seeds also helps lower triglyceride levels, which is good for heart health, as diabetics are more likely to develop heart disease. 4. Handful of almonds. Almonds are a healthy and quick snack because they have over 15 essential vitamins and minerals. They give you 32% of the daily value for manganese, 19% of the daily value for magnesium, and 17% for riboflavin. Almonds have been shown to help people with diabetes handle their blood sugar. Long-term blood sugar levels dropped by 3% in 58 people who ate the nuts, and they dropped by 9% in 20 adults with diabetes. Additionally, almonds have been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and promote weight management, crucial factors in preventing and treating type 2 diabetes. Due to their high calorie content, limiting the portion size to about a handful is recommended when eating almonds as a snack. 5. Veggies and hummus. Hummus, a chickpea-based spread, pairs well with raw vegetables, providing fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Hummus also provides protein with 3 grams per tablespoon, making it beneficial for blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Consuming at least 1 ounce of hummus at a meal can lower blood sugar and insulin levels by 4 times compared to white bread. Experiment with dipping vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and bell peppers in hummus. 6. Avocado. Avocados, rich in fiber and monounsaturated fatty acids, are a diabetes-friendly food that can help manage blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of monounsaturated fatty acids in type 2 diabetes patients has been linked to significant improvements in blood sugar levels. You can eat avocados alone or incorporated into dips like guacamole, but consuming 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado is recommended due to its high calorie content. 7. Sliced apples with peanut butter. Apples and peanut butter are healthy snack options for people with diabetes due to their high nutrient and fiber content. Apples are rich in B vitamins, vitamin C, potassium, and E, while peanut butter provides vitamin E,
magnesium, and manganese.
1 medium apple combined with 1 ounce of peanut butter offers almost 7 grams of fiber, helping control blood sugar.
Apples have been studied for their potential role in diabetes management due to their polyphenol antioxidants, which protect pancreatic cells from damage.
Other fruit pairings with peanut butter can also provide similar health benefits. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 8. Roasted chickpeas.
Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a nutritious legume with nearly 15 grams of protein and 13 grams of fiber per 1 cup serving.
Regular consumption may prevent diabetes progression by managing blood sugar levels.
A study of 19 adults found that those who ate a meal made with chickpeas every day for 6 weeks had much lower blood sugar and insulin than those who ate a meal made with wheat.
Roasting chickpeas makes them crunchy and convenient, and they taste great with olive oil and seasonings. 9. Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese is a nutritious snack for people with diabetes, providing vitamins, minerals, protein, and carbs. A half-cup serving contains 13 grams of protein and 4 grams of carbs.
Consuming cottage cheese can help manage blood sugar levels, with a 38% lower blood sugar afterward. The high protein content of cottage cheese is often responsible for its blood sugar lowering effects. Regular cottage cheese, rather than reduced fat varieties, can also benefit from fat's blood sugar lowering properties. You can combine your cottage cheese with fruit for additional nutrients and fiber. 10. Cheese and whole grain crackers.
Cracker sandwiches, made with whole grain crackers and cheese slices, are a healthy snack for those with diabetes.
Although high in carbs, the cheese and fiber in crackers help prevent blood sugar spikes.
Dairy products like cheese slow carb digestion, reduce insulin levels, and release hormones that lower blood sugar.
But pick crackers that are made with only whole grains. Many brands are high in refined flour and extra sugar, worsening blood sugar levels. 11. Tuna salad.
Tuna salad with mayonnaise, celery, and onions contains 22 grams of protein and no carbohydrates, making it an ideal snack for people with diabetes. It has a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which assist treat diabetes by lowering inflammation and improving blood sugar management.
Mix cottage cheese or yogurt instead of mayonnaise to make it healthy. 12. Black bean salad.
Black bean salad is a nutritious snack that combines cooked black beans with chopped vegetables in a vinaigrette dressing. It's rich in fiber and protein, making it a good choice for individuals with diabetes.
Black beans can prevent blood sugar spikes and lower insulin levels after meals. A study looked at 12 people who ate black beans with their meal and found that their insulin levels were up to 33% lower 5 hours later. 13. Peanut butter celery sticks.
Celery sticks, a low-calorie snack, can be a healthy option for people with diabetes. They contain flavonoids and antioxidants that help lower blood sugar levels. Dipping them in peanut butter provides additional protein and fiber, further benefiting blood sugar control.
The low-calorie content of celery sticks and their antioxidant properties make them an excellent choice for weight management and type 2 diabetes control. 14. Egg muffins.
Egg muffins can be an excellent option for a quick and healthy snack for people with diabetes.
Mix eggs with vegetables and bake them in a muffin tin to make them.
The eggs provide protein, while the vegetables add fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels. The recipe includes a mix of bell peppers, onions, spinach, and seasonings, with the option to add some hot sauce for an extra kick.
Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you.
Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video.
Thank you.